up, fam? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction.
Oh, sorry, can you start again? Sorry. Sorry. Start again.
What's up, fam? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction video of Mama B. And we're gonna be doing a reaction video. Also, this is my Mama B and we do reaction videos. So today's reaction video is gonna be on Nessa Nova show up. So we heard these are some Fijian brothers.
Fijian?
I think they're Fijian. Not too sure, but from what I've seen, apparently they're Fijian. So pretty keen, man. We see that they've used an instrumental, so it might already be copyright. So thank you for that, guys.
Skylake Media, nice.
Nice. Returns our records back again in the building.
PolyMovement fans, please check out search for Returns of Records on YouTube and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Share the love.
And help by sharing on Instagram or whatever socials you have, please, fam. It does help a lot. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much, really. It could reach someone, you know, in another country, and it would help a lot, you know. Because you never know, they might share it to their friends.
Try and get our Poly fans noticed worldwide, please.
Yep. And if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching of mine. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate it heaps. Thank you for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. Don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos.
And thank you to all you requested.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for keeping us on our toes. Sorry for being slack, but we're getting there. We're getting there.
We're getting there, fams. Also, if I've missed any shout outs, I'll have your names going across the screen. Let's go. Hoo-wee! Some new brothers on the scene.
Are they new?
I think they're new. I don't know. This is the first time we've heard of them.
Turns out.
Bro, already this gives me like JM's vibes or something.
No,
J-Lex.
Yeah, JX vibes.
Too many J's up in here, man.
Yo, itch.
Yeah, it's got that vibe here.
Aye, take a look at all of these ops. Do you see them running their mouth? They chit and chat about this and that, but it ain't what they all about. When my gang mates moves, it's who, what, where, when, why, how. No face, no case, they don't leave no trace when all of my guys show out. They call me Nova, ripping G40, swinging machetes like Jason Voorhees. None of them dogs just bop.
I've heard about G40, yeah, I'm not too sure.
Guildford.
Guildford. Oh, yeah, I remember
Diamond.
Diamond, yeah, saying
Diamond Rex.
Yeah, her family or something from
G40. And it's if you say
Tongan community or something.
No, if you say it in Tongan, that's how it sounds like.
Oh, Guildford G40 and
Tongan or something, yeah.
G40.
Oh.
G40.
I thought you said they're Fijians.
I thought they're Fijians. Maybe, I don't know. I'm sure I saw something saying they're Fijians. Sorry guys if I'm wrong. Correct me in the comments.
Fuck, that's boring. Let's go and find them ops like Dory. My whole game rides like a group excursion. Rock or black like a team with jet.
Find them like Dory. Oh, say less. Oh, we got that sign again. What does that mean, y'all? Is that what I think it is? Okay, let's go back. I missed.
Shit is like Jason Voorhees. None of them dogs just bark, that's boring. Let's go and find them ops like Dory. My whole game rides like a group excursion. Rock or black like a team with jerseys. Show no face, got tools like surgeons. Beat them up once, blood chips like virgins.
Show no face. When we first moved here, excursion, I was like, what the hell is that? And they were like, it's a trip. And I was like, just say trip then. Like
in New Zealand, you just say, oh, I've got a school trip coming up. Over here, we've got an excursion.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, I just have my high tea and...
Excavation.
Wait a minute.
Did you mean
excursion, rock or black like a team with jerseys. Show no face, got tools like surgeons. Beat them up once, blood chips like virgins. All my guys don't ever get nervous. Got all 10 toes down on the surface. Show no love for the ones with verse and they get so tough when we meet in person. What do you know about putting in work? 60 station, who got murked? Which one of them got sent from church? Who got gossiping on my turf? Let's rewind, we can throw that back. What did you do when your back got capped? At least I know if I cop that strap, all of my 40s will hit right back. We're going on war or hands on deck. I don't like talking CBF. All of my guys gotta rep the set when we're done with them like who's up next.
Do you know what CBF is?
Hmm?
Do you know what CBF is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Do you know? Are you asking me?
Do you know?
I know, but do you know?
But do you know?
Oh, shut up.
That's a question with a question.
What is it?
What is it? I know what it is. That's why I'm asking you, because you take... I'm surprised you didn't take something.
No, I don't know.
It can't be stuffed, but can't be ifed. Like,
What's
you can't be
can't be?
stuffed talking, or you can't be stuffed doing this, but
Oh.
it's CBF.
like 2BH. Oh fuck my life. Like FML.
Alright. Yeah, nah. ROTFL. Do you want to keep going?
SMH.
FOT.
What about TE or? Yeah.
Isn't it TI?
Like that. Yeah,
damn,
please.
he's going ham. He's going ham. I'm not too sure who their drama is with. Okay.
They're from the 21.
Oh yeah, of course. One.
Good for
Only
it.
one. Only one.
Which one of them got sent from church? Who got gossiping on my turf? Let's rewind, we can throw that back. What did you do when your back got capped? At least I know if I cop that strap, all of my 40s will hit right back. We're going to war or hands on deck. I don't like talking, CBF. All of my guys got a...
I'm done, mum. I'm done. Okay.
Stop playing and
Cut it
listen.
out.
Shit.
got sent from church. Who got gossiping on my turf? Let's rewind, we can throw that back. What did you do when your back got capped? At least I know if I cop that strap.
They got some traditional weaponry up in there. Did you see it?
The Moana.
Yeah. Maui?
Maui Moana.
What were we calling someone? The similar...
Irangi for Oki.
yeah, look, I'm not sure what they'll call it. Yeah. Wow. Who got murked? Who was playing up in our section?
Who got get?
Who was?
All of my 40s will hit right back. We're going to war or hands on deck. I don't like talking, CBF. All of my guys gotta rep the set. When we're done with them, like who's up next? Take a look at all of these ops. Do you see them running their mouth? They chit and chat about this and that, but it ain't what they all about. When my gang mates moves, it's who, what, where, when, why, how. No face, no case, they don't leave no trace when all of my
did you
guys
see
show
that?
up.
What? KVT or something?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know
I've heard
what
of
it is,
it.
but I've heard of it.
I've heard about
KVT. KVT. I don't. In my head, I'm thinking cover. I don't know what.
So they're from the Tongans. Oh, shit. They're from the 21 too.
21.
Huh?
I think I saw A1 in there.
It's because a lot of people comment on it, so I'm just
Yeah. Piecing.
getting familiar with
Yeah. Who knows if it's true?
this beef.
When my gang mates moves, it's who, what, where, when, why, how. No face, no case, they don't leave no trace when all of my guys show out. It's 240, R4W, 247, that's all they gang shit. My lads hold down for the same clip. All of them boys ain't gang their basic. I speak to my team, say witness this. And enemy lines, I'ma grip the shit. When I make that move, it's hit and stick. I do it all day for shits and gigs. Ripping my hood when I step in yours. All of my guys make moves, of course. All of my guys got hammers and swords. We slash and we bash with no remorse. Jump out, gang hop out with the man, then run up on you, no face like bandit. Step in my hood, I don't recommend it. I grip that trigger and bend it like Beckham. Who's up next, like which one's ready?
What? Something like what?
Beckham,
I thought
UK.
so. Man, a lot of it's just flowing over my head.
Out with the man, then run up on you, no face like bandit.
I kind of figured it because I figured he was in reference to the UK because he said Mandem. And we know Mandem's UK. Their slang.
Step in my hood, I don't recommend it. I grip that trigger, then bend it like Beckham. Who's up next, like which one's ready? It don't matter who, I'll take on any. Chopped up boys, they call me Freddy. I let them all know with 6-1 heavy. Take a look at all of these ops. Do you see them running their mouth? They chit and chat about this and that, but it ain't what they all about.
The way he says "run your mouth" reminds me of Lord Lance when he raps. Do you hear it? Do you hear a bit of it? Like it just makes me want to laugh at the same time, but I'm like, no, it's a serious song. Like, oh, I don't know what it is.
When my gang mates moves, it's who, what, where, when, why, how. No face, no case, they don't leave no trace when all of my guys show out. Take a look at all of these ops. Do you see them running their mouth? They chit and chat about this and that, but it ain't what they all about. When my gang mates moves, it's who, what, where, when, why, how. No face, no case, they don't leave no trace when all of my guys show out.
No face, no case. Yeah. So if you don't show your face, why they have the
The masks and stuff like that.
I got it.
Okay.
Don't leave no trace when all of my guys show out.
Reminds me of the
Oh, it's a long finger.
Okay. Good eyes, mum. Good eyes. Skylake Media, eh? Maxed out films. Bloody hell. The lighting in that was pretty good, eh? So, what did you think of the track, Mama B?
Fucking full on intense.
Whew. Wow, like, where's my nappies, you know? Fuck. That was well.
Wow. All I can say is wow.
Man, first track we've heard, and I like it, man. They didn't come to play, they
Yeah.
straight to the
Serious.
point, yeah. Wow. definitely Fijians there. I think I saw the Fijian flag on some of their masks and the flag in the back. I think that's the Fijian flag.
And KBT, so KBTs are Tongans?
I think so. I think they must be close with those guys or something.
Yeah, so, wow. I never heard of these guys. I don't know how long they've been out. Maybe they're new, maybe they're not. Big ups to Returns of Records.
Yeah.
Yeah. I only saw about it because I saw a post by Returns of Records.
Yeah, and then we started getting notifications. Yeah. And yo, how many times do we have to say stop messaging for Instagram? We only accept requests on YouTube. These films.
But other than that, it's mainly from producers and record, labels and stuff like that. Out of respect, we will take it from those guys. Out of respect, PolyMovement. But other than that, please, because it's a YouTube channel, reaction channel.
Yeah, we
like to stick to
requests to be coming through YouTube. It's hard to keep up with. I tend to forget that people request through Instagram, so I just like. Whereas on YouTube, I can type up certain words and stuff, and I can see who's requested. And please spell it right, guys, because I might miss some shoutouts because someone spelled the artist names wrong or something like that.
Yeah. Anyways, I give this intensity. As soon as it started, I got goosebumps.
Yeah.
I got.
I still got goosebumps now.
I picked up a few. What I picked up, but yeah, you can gather it's a.
Definitely got some beef in there. Definitely beef about the ops and stuff like that. Don't talk that talk if you're not gonna walk it. So I'm just gonna go in and say the beat was ham. The beat was like steak or
and
mushroom.
It was slower. It wasn't going fast like how J Lex would go. Yeah, as soon as he started, and I was going, oh, it's slow. I was thinking, I can probably pick something up here.
Yeah, and you actually could, like, he's quite muffled like J Lex and that, but still understandable, a lot more understandable than those guys, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, it was quite intense, and the visuals, I like how the visuals represented that. Like, I liked when the visuals, the lighting and all that was really good, and then obviously add the effects,
it adds to the lyrics, that vibe.
Yeah, they didn't come to play, man. And how they're all standing there reminds me of the song Masi Rook and Hooligan Hefs in jail. How that ending bit where the move came in, they're all standing there and all that sort of
the
stuff.
OC.
I give it a 9.
I give it a 9 too.
Yeah, it's really good.
Like he came all out.
Man, he didn't come to play, bro.
Big ups to Nasanova. Nice. It's nice when you come out and you come all out, and then we know what to expect.
Yeah.
Instead of coming out and then,
bit by bit.
And then the next song is like changes, and we're going, huh?
That's just the way it is. But it is what it is. What do you think of
fucking oath, cuz.
Yeah, lad.
Shut your mouth.
Yeah. So fams, as always, I'll have the information to the track in the description box below for you guys to check out. I'll have the links to the channel, the song, and their social for you guys to go follow. Please subscribe and click on the bell to keep notified of when they upload videos. And please share, it doesn't hurt to share. PolyMovement fams. Yeah, PolyMovement. So we're gonna get going onto our next video. Hope you guys stay tuned for that. Much love to you guys. Stay safe and see you guys in the next video. Bye fams.